Hello and welcome to our Waterfall Beach Racing Track. Our competitors today are Jackson Storm, Lightning McQueen, Bill, Batman, Rex, Hulk, Bob, and finally the one and only Flash. And our host today is Farmer Funling. Hello. And they're all competing for this valuable crown. So, each pair of cars will race down the slope, past the trees, and whoever crosses the finish line first wins. And whoever crosses the finish line first at the final race will earn this trophy. Is everyone ready to race? Let's begin! Stop. It's Lightning McQueen versus Jackson Storm. That was fast. Let's see a replay. Like McQueen really did win against Jackson Storm, and now he's into the semi-final. Our next competitors are Batman and Bill. Let's begin. Batman easily won that. Seems like Bill isn't really as fast as Batman. Alright, so Batman is into the semi-final with Lightning. The race is between Rex versus Hulk. Wow, that was close. Let's see a replay. Seems like Rex won that one, but who will join him in the semi-final? The Flash or Bob? Wow, that was fast too. We need a replay for that. Well done, Flash. Seems like you won that one, so you're in the semi-final with Rex. Okay, so these cars made it through the elimination round. Let's see who can make it to the final. The final is between Lightning McQueen and Batman. Who will make it to the final? That was so close, but I think Batman won that. Well done, Batman. You are in the final. Who will join Batman in the final? Rex or the Flash? That was so close again. Let's see a replay. The Flash definitely won that, so he's into the final with Batman. This is it. The final between Batman and the Flash. Who will win the one and only crown? The final begins. Wow, that was the closest race I've ever seen. We need a replay.